Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a new sticker in CapCut PC. Select your text and add it like so. Just going to add it like halfway here. I'll just copy this text over and over because I don't have like a news to put in right now, so we're just going to have to read this. Okay. I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to select background and I'm just going to change the color. You can also change the font to whatever you want. I'm just going to use this one. Scroll down and add a keyframe in the, oh actually no, do it in transform here. And place the text like to the very left. Then here you're going to get the text. I can't even see where it is now. Let me just, there. I can't see it, so I'll have to do that. Oh my god. Let's do that again, shall we? I'm just going to leave a little bit there so I can pull it when I'm at the end of this. Why can I not? Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to place it to the very left side. Then here, like right about here, I'm going to copy it and paste it. And I'm going to move this one here, so it kind of connects with it. So make sure it really connects with the left. I don't know why it like does that, but oh, because I think I have to make it a little bit closer. Like that. And that is pretty much it. You're just going to repeat it, obviously, but I'm not going to do that. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.